Okay, so let's go ahead and make the energy bar workable as well. For that, if we click on the player UI, then player health, let's open up the energy bar script. Okay, this is the energy bar script. Let's remove the two method, and right here if we click on health bar, let's copy these methods and references, paste it right here, change this health bar slider to energy bar slider. Okay, then change this method name to give full energy, and right here change this to set energy, change this to energy, and this one as well right here and in here as well. Okay, so just simply change the health word with the energy and everything else will be the same. Okay, this energy bar script will work in the same way as the health bar script. Okay, so now we have the method for giving the full energy and then decreasing the energy according to the present energy of the player. Okay, now right here let's pass the value to that methods from here. Okay, so after this present energy, let's add a reference to our energy bar script. Okay, and let's name this as energy bar as well. Then right here down below we will say energy bar dot give full energy, and in here we will pass the present energy. That is it. This will give the maximum value and the value. Now we need to assign a value to this energy, in which when the player is running the energy will keep decreasing. So for that, if you scroll down right here inside this set energy, okay, this time as you know that we will be resetting the energy as well. So for that, right here we will say energy bar dot give full energy. Okay, and let's pass the present energy. Okay, so whenever the present energy becomes 0, then as you know after 5 seconds we give the full energy back again. So also we want to make the slider full as well because the energy is being resetted, and also we want to decrease the energy whenever the player is running. So for that, right here we will say energy bar dot set energy, and in this method we will pass the present energy of the player. Okay, as you know the present energy is decreasing right here, so we will pass that decrease value to this set energy method. Okay, which is this one. Okay, so now this will work perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, it is giving this error. This is because we forgot to add this using Unity engine.ui right here to this script, so make sure that you do that. Get back to Unity again. As you can see, the error is gone. If we click on this energy bar right here, drag and drop the slider, then click on the player, it needs the energy bar script, so drag and drop the energy bar. Okay, then let's simply play the game. Okay, as you can see the energy bar is full, and if we check it right here, click on this energy bar, as you can see 100 is applied. But now if the player starts running, then as you can see the energy is decreasing, as you can see, and the health bar is decreasing as well. As you can see the value keep decreasing. Okay, so let's finish this whole energy, and then you will notice how the energy will reset back again. Okay, let me make this 0. Okay, 10 9 5 4 3 2 1. As you can see the player is now walking, and after 5 seconds, as you can see the energy is set back again. And as you can see, when it is set back again, it is now decreasing again, as you can see. Okay, and when the player stop the energy, then just stop decreasing as well. So as you know that now the health bar and energy bar is working perfectly fine. Now the next thing which we will be adding in the player UI is the damage indicator. Okay, so for example, if we take damage from the night, okay, if we want to show some damage indicator, okay, in which it will show that yes, the player is taking some damage, because like this it doesn't look good. Okay, we want to make the damage thing a little bit realistic, so we will do that in the next video.